Hello students, welcome to another lecture. Today we are going to discuss some important multiple choice questions on the topic plant growth hormones. So first of all, let us discuss what is a hormone. These are the chemicals which are required for the growth and development of plants. In the absence of these hormones or these chemicals, the plant will not be able to grow properly. So now let us move to the questions. The first question is IAA and IBA, that is indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid, are the examples of which class of plant hormones? So these two belongs to the auxin class of plant hormones. Next question is which of the following is not a function of auxin? In our lecture we studied that apical dominance, gravitropism and phototropism. All these are the functions of auxins. So among this, inducing dormancy is not a function of auxin. Rather than inducing dormancy, auxin prefers to break the dormancy. Next question is the foolish seedling disease of rice led to the discovery of which plant hormone? While the scientists were tackling the foolish seedling disease of rice, they discovered the plant hormone gibberellins, which is mainly responsible for the cell elongation. Next question is which of the following hormone is known as stress hormone? ABA or the abscisic acid is known as the stress hormone. The plant synthesizes this stress hormone when they face any kind of stress such as the stress of water. Next question is the hormone which is responsible for closing the stomata and reducing transpiration rate is. So the hormone that is responsible for stomatal closure and reducing the rate of transpiration is abscisic acid, and that's why it is called as a stress hormone. Next question is which of the following hormone is known as youth hormone? So the hormone cytokinins are known as the youth hormones because they delay the aging of the plants. Next question is the hormone which delays the process of senescence is. Senescence is nothing but the aging or moving towards the maturity. So the main function of cytokinins is to delay the process of senescence and keep the plants in a youthful condition. Next question is which of the hormone is widely used as a rooting hormone? Rooting hormone means whenever you bring a stem cutting of rose plant in your home and you plant it in a pot, later on you will observe that out of that stem roots starts to come out. So from where those roots are coming? So this is possible because of a hormone that is NAA, which is a synthetic form of auxins. So the most widely used rooting hormone is NAA or the naphthalene acetic acid. Next question is nodule formation in the plants is mainly induced by. So the nodule formation in legume plants is mainly induced by IAA, that is your indole acetic acid. Next question is the coconut water contains which plant hormone? So in coconut water cytokinins are found. That's why at some cases in tissue culture laboratories coconut water is used to promote the process of cell division. Next question is which of the following hormone is known as the ripening hormone? So we all know this that ethylene is mainly associated with the ripening of the fruits. Next question is the hormone present in gaseous form is. So answer to this question is also ethylene. Ethylene is a hormone which is responsible for ripening and it is present in the form of a gas. Next question is triple response in plants is due to which hormone? So in case of triple response, the shoot becomes very small, it swells and there is promotion of more and more of lateral buds, and it is mainly because of the hormone ethylene. Next question is the genetic dwarfness can be overcome by which hormone? So if a plant is genetically dwarf and we want to elongate it, so we have to use the hormones that is gibberellins, because gibberellins are mainly responsible for the process of cell elongation. Next question is apical dominance is mainly associated with. So we know this very clearly that apical dominance is basically because of auxins. Next question is, which of the following hormone is a growth retardant? So options given to you are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins and ABA, that is abscisic acid. So we know that auxin is a growth promoter. Gibberellins are also growth promoters. Cytokinins are also growth promoters. But abscisic acid is a growth retardant. It means it retards or it reduces the growth of the plant. These are some of the references from where I have collected material to prepare these questions. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge from the video.